this monitor is showing us what the helicopter sees when it's flying through the air. And Simon's got control here. He can tilt the camera up or down. This is also like a second set of eyes. Since we can see from the point of view of the helicopter, we can tell Simon to go higher, lower, fly left, right, while he's watching the helicopter from the ground. So this is called first-person view perspective. We can get the helicopter 400 feet up in the air, theoretically, and see what the helicopter sees, so we make sure we're getting the shot. Pretty cool, right? So check, the camera stays level even though he's rocking the helicopter back and forth. You can see it really staying level like that. And then fly up above us a little bit. For the gimbal to make sure they're smooth when you're panning and stuff. That is awesome.